This video will show you how you can use MCIS to look for different post-secondary institutions. There are a lot of ways to look for post-secondary institutions on MCIS. I'm just going to show you two different ways. But like I said, there are a lot of ways. So if these are not working for you, please do not hesitate to reach out to your learning manager or reach out to the school counselor. So the first way I want to show you is just looking for colleges in MCIS by name. So if there's a college that you're interested in and you want to get some more information, this is a great place to start. So you can do that by hovering over education. And then under where can I study, if you want to find a post-secondary institution in the state of Minnesota, whether it's 2-year or 4-year, private or public, for-profit or nonprofit, you can find it under Minnesota post-secondary institutions. The same goes for this section. It includes both public, private, 2-year, 4-year, nonprofit, for-profit, but the U.S. colleges and universities one will look for colleges and universities across the state or across the United States. So if you want to look in other states, this is a great resource. So if you just click on one of the two, we're just going to look at Minnesota post-secondary institutions. It will give you an index listing all of the institutions in the state of Minnesota. So if you have heard about Aveda and you want to learn more about it, you can click on the letter A and then select the institution. It will give you some very basic information. So what is their website? What is a great phone number to reach them at? Where are they located? How much does it cost? And then on the left-hand side under topics, you can get a little bit more information about the school. So that's one way to find it. If there's a school that you know the name and you just want to get a little bit more information, that's a great route to go. Another way that you can find institutions using MCIS is looking at institutions that offer a specific program of interest. So when you are on an occupation information page, so right now this is a page about paralegals, whether it is you searched it in MCIS or it was one of your career results from one of the assessments you have taken. On the left-hand side under related information, there will always be a section that says programs of study. So if you click that, it will bring you to this page which tells you what types of programs someone that's interested in being a paralegal may pursue. So the ones on the top are programs of study that are directly related to this occupation. So if this is the occupation you want to do, that is going to be the area you want to look at. There's also a section that says other programs of study to consider, and so these are programs that have a lot of overlap with the occupation or program you are looking into, but they're a little bit different, so they may be of interest to you. So click on the program you want to explore further. We're going to look at paralegal studies because I want to find colleges that offer a paralegal program. It'll give you an overview of what that program entails. And then on the left-hand side, under related information, you can either look for Minnesota post-secondary institutions, or if you want to look into other states, you can look at U.S. colleges and universities. For this one, I will do U.S. colleges and universities just to show you what it looks like if you were to look for colleges out of state. So it lists every state across the United States. So if you wanted to move to California or would love to go to school out in California, you can click on that one. And it will tell you which colleges in that state offer the program you are looking for. It will also list the type of degree or award. So make sure you pay attention to that, whether you want to go to a 2-year, maybe you want to do a 4-year bachelor's program, or maybe you just want to get a certificate in something, but it will tell you what type of program it offers. So those are two ways that you can use MCIS to find some different post-secondary institutions. If you have any questions about how to use this tool or you want help finding some different colleges and universities, reach out to your learning manager or contact the school counselor, and we would be happy to help you figure it out.